Hello everyone. For this video, I will take you to know about the paragraph in HTML. And first of all, I go to open the VS Code and then I create one file. I use shortcut key sys number one, and the title I set name of the paragraph. Right now I want you to install Lightsaber because Lightsaber is easy to use when you want to open file HTML or you want to see the result of file HTML. So for the part one, I already told you about the program to write HTML code, and right now I will tell you about how to open file HTML. And yeah, you can open file HTML or process file HTML with web browser like Microsoft Edge, Chrome or Internet Explorer or Opera or Firefox, something else if you want to use on it. In the body, I define H1 and then I lazy to write the sentence, so I write the word of lorem and for and how much the word I need. For example, I need 4 words for this statement, so I will write lorem for and enter. So I have a 4 word on this statement on H1. If we want to create a paragraph with HTML, we could use tag P. In tag P, I want to have a 100 words on this paragraph, so I write a lorem and 100 number and enter. You can look the result. Right now we move to the formatting text. Formatting text we use to decor of the text like boost text, strong text or italic text and something else. And yeah, you can look. I will practice on it. And if you want to more clearly about the formatting text, you can search on W3 School how and what is a formatting or how many formatting have. You can search on W3 School and then you can read one by one on description and then you will understand. Right now, I will practice about a block quote. You can see the result and to be understand by yourself. For the next video, I tell you about the link on HTML. The link on HTML is to allow you to connect one page to other page and connect one website to other website or one part to part in the same page. Or you can link to file to download or view or view on web browser. And right now I will practice about the link on the social media like I will link to Facebook, YouTube, Google or Gmail.